Hi, I'm James with Belite Aircraft, and today I want to explain the operation of our new water temperature and exhaust gas temperature gauge, which I'm holding in my hand. On the gauge you can see that the one side of the scale is water temperature, and it's calibrated up to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and the other side is exhaust gas temperature, and it goes up to 1400 degrees Fahrenheit. The water temperature gauge is designed to attach to a Polini or to any standard water temperature thermocouple, which I'm holding in my hand, and it connects to the back into this connector. You can see that the water temperature is about 4 feet long. It's using twisted pair, and I have terminated it into pins 3 and pins 4 in the connector. If I had the exhaust gas temperature probe, that would go into pins 1 and 2, the yellow and the black. Sometimes these are not polarized correctly, and all that means is the gauge won't work properly and you need to reverse the polarity of the probes. In this case, it appears that the probe was assembled with the polarity backwards, so I've put the red into the black, which is pin 3, and the black into the red, and it works properly. If the polarity had been the other way, it would have worked with red to red and black to black. I'm going to show you now how we can put this probe into a pot of boiling water, and that's going to show us the calibration. Never ever operate a water-cooled engine unless your water temperature display is showing that the temperature of your water or coolant is between 130 and 190 degrees. If you're not getting an indication, don't operate your engine until you resolve the problem with the water temperature. Sometimes it's showing you that coolant isn't running through the engine. If that's the case, then when you start the engine, the temperature will quickly run up to the top of the scale. Okay, I've got some heat going here. I'm going to place the probe into the pot of nearly boiling water, and you can see right away that it comes up, and it's showing us that the temperature of this water is right around 210 degrees. If we look into the water, we see that it is boiling, and so we've got a very good correlation between what we're seeing here and the boiling water. If I pull the probe back out and let the probe cool down, you can see that the temperature on the scale drops right away. If I put it back into the boiling water, you can see that it's very responsive and goes right back up. This is really working well. The boiling water test is an excellent test for determining that the gauge and the probe are functioning properly. Be careful not to burn yourself, because that is hot water. Okay, that really about covers it. The water temperature gauge works on the one side, the exhaust gas temperature works on the other side. You can hook up an exhaust gas temperature probe here and heat it up with a blowtorch. That would be going into the yellow and black wires. Safe flying. Have a great day. Bye.